Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add table border in Google Sheet. So let's start. First open your Google Sheet and you can see I have data. To add the border, simply select the first data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select your entire data. And the second way is simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the entire data. Now go to the toolbar. So this is the toolbar in Google Sheet. You can see here the second last option is border. Just click on it and you can see the different type of border is available. Okay, top border, right border, bottom border. Okay, when you click on this drop down arrow, you can see the different style of border is available. Click on this arrow, border color also you can add it. Okay, so here I select the first all border. Now I select the different color of border. So I select here the blue color of border. You can see the blue color of border here. Add it. Now I change border style. So I select here the different style. So I select this one and see the changes over here. Again, if you want to change the border style, just click on the border style and here you can select a different border style. You can see the changes over here. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.